Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. And currently मैं एक hotel room में हूँ. And I realized, I had a click, and I thought I will share with you guys my current holy grail products that I don't travel without. So without wasting any time, let us get on with the video. Just to tell you, I have two moisturizers that I absolutely swear by. One of them is at home because it was a big tube and I did not want to carry it. And then there was a toner that was also very huge, and I could not find my travel friendly throat toner bottle, so I was in a rush. Basically, that's on me. I will add the pictures of both of those over here. In another video I will talk with you guys about them, but they are absolutely favorite products of mine. In this video I have with me these many products that I want to talk to you guys about. So I will do the routine and talk to you guys simultaneously. So I hope you will enjoy this particular video, and please ignore me for the bad lighting. Starting with the face wash, I use this particular one right here. This is from Cetaphil. This is their oily skin cleanser combination to oily sensitive skin. I don't like the dry skin variant. I don't know, but I like this one. Although it says oily skin, it hasn't dried my face down as such. And I got this a sample, but I do have a bigger version of this in my home. I do use simple and this one, whatever mood jo bhi hota hai, accordingly I use it. I really love this particular one. I do buy a lot of stuff on Nykaa, and this just came free, so I did carry this particular one and I absolutely love it. It does an absolute fabulous job. And then the product that I really love is this particular one. This is the serum that I use daily, and I have used bottles and bottles of these. So this is the plum niacinamide face serum with rice water and amino acid complex. I have already gone through half of the bottle, and there are many bottles back in the home that I use, and I constantly repurchase this one because I like the 5% more than the 10, 15, whatever the higher percentage of niacinamide. I don't like that. I like this, and I like the moisturizer from this range. I like the sunscreen from this range. I love the toner from this range. So this is my most favorite range in Plum, like my most favorite products from Plum. So this is something that I use on a daily basis. Then I go in with a moisturizer. For moisturizer, I do use CeraVe moisturizer and Cetaphil moisturizer. I do carry these samples with me whenever I travel, because I purchase a lot of products from Nykaa. I get these samples, and I get a lot of these CeraVe samples because I buy a lot of CeraVe because it's my favorite brand. I have one whole tub of it that I have used for 2 years, and I am finally getting to the finishing line of that. But I'm using it mostly for my body, not for my face, because I found some favorites for my face. So right now I'm using this particular one, which is the moisturizing cream for dry to very dry skin, and this is fragrance free and has 3 essential ceramides. It's a very beautiful product. I love it. So yeah, you can definitely try it. Okay, now the ones that I really cannot live is this particular one. This is from Dr. Althea. This is their 345 relief cream. This is the product. This is a Korean skincare product, and I so freaking love this. I on the days like when I'm breaking out and my skin feels so irritated, this is the product that I go ahead and use. I have seen beautiful results with this. I used to have a lot of tiny bumps on my face, and right now you can see there is none. My skin feels like so soft with bump free and so nice. My heavy textured face is also vanishing, and these are just the new acne marks because I'm about to get my periods. So these have vanished, but the marks will slowly fade away. But for the most part, my face feels so good after using this. I know it's a very expensive 3000 ka product, but I cannot live without it. This is like so good, and I love it. So what I try to do is in the day, okay, in the day I use CeraVe or Cetaphil, and in the night I use this particular one, 345 Althea cream, because it's expensive. Second thing is that, you know, I feel like skin repairs beautifully during the night, and I apply this a good amount of this particular 345 Althea cream, and it works wonders and wonders on my skin. Absolutely beautiful formula. If you want me to do a dedicated review video on this, I will be more than happy to do it, because it's one of the beautiful products that I own, and you can see by the halat how much I have used this, and I am scared that it will run away. I mean, I'm scared that it will run over really soon, but I will definitely repurchase it, because I have visibly seen results on my face, and it has to do with this particular product. Then I am going to talk to you guys about another gem that is there in my favorites. I carry this every freaking wear, because you know, when you're traveling, you definitely will get that one breakout which will ruin your mood, ruin your vacation, and give you bad pictures. So I always tend to carry this. This is from Novology. This is an acne rescue spot corrector. It has got 0.1% thymol and terpenol. I absolutely love it. Again, this too, right? I use it in the night. First I go in with this particular product. I use this like as a spot corrector, just the way it is saying in this particular tube. I just put dots of it on the back of my hand, and then I put so this two pimples that you're seeing, they were so bad yesterday, okay, and day before yesterday, and they are healing. It doesn't pain anymore, because I get cystic acne on my face, and these two are so good. I use them in the night and leave it for 10-15 minutes, follow it up with a moisturizer which I showed you, and it does a fabulous job. You just have to apply the dots, and this is how I solve the matter of these two pimples as well, and the pimple over here as well, which you can see the bump is gone. But this is how I just spot correct it. You don't need to apply this on your whole face. This is priced at 700 rupees, but trust me, I've been using this for over 3 months now, or maybe more than that, and I am still good to go with this product. I have a lot more uses out of it. So these two are my favorite. This one has panthenol in it, which is so good for my skin. My skin loves panthenol. So that's that. I have to wait for this, but then I will show you the next product that I am using, which is the Plum Oat and Ceramide Complex. It's 100% mineral sunscreen. I have recently started using this particular product, if I have to be honest. Maybe like 5 days back I started using it, and I have loved it. The reason why I love it is because it doesn't break me out. I do feel that it leaves a tiny bit of white cast, but the formulation itself is so good. It is made essentially for sensitive skin types, and Plum does make good quality sunscreens. I really love them. As I told you, I like the niacinamide one as well. I use that quite frequently. Sometimes, you know, other sunscreens give me breakouts. I haven't found any Plum sunscreen that has broken me out so far, but this is my favorite. Recently, I mean, just started using it, and I've started liking it. I wish there was no white cast with this, tiny bit of white cast. I don't know how much of it you can see in these particular lights, but yes, there is a bit of white cast that I feel is there when you apply this particular product. And but I really like it though, because I'm essentially at home, so I don't mind. Right now I'm going out for a lunch, and I'm risking it. So this is the products that I am absolutely obsessing over. Now this has got very good ingredients, and it's got very good filters. It has zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which is the mineral filters that you will see. It is really good. It doesn't make my skin look darker, it makes me look like a white person any which way. So this is there's no synthetic fragrances in it. Yeah, these are the skincare products that I use when I travel. I did forget one of my products, which is exfoliating acid that I use from the brand Ordinary. It is mandelic acid. I forgot to carry that, but those three products that I'm not able to showcase in this particular video, I will be making a separate video of them. If you want, you know, individual reviews of any of these products, please feel free to, you know, let me know in the comments. But these are so good. Absolutely love it, and my skin has been loving these ingredients. I do not plan to live without these particular ones. So let me know if you've used any of these products in the comment box. In the description I will add all of the links so you guys can purchase any of those you want. But if I had to choose two favorites of mine, I know it's very difficult, it's like choosing among your babies, but nevertheless, I want to choose two favorites, then I have these two ones that I swear by. Like, I cannot live without these two. Like, when I am done with the day and I am about to unwind and remove my skincare, wash my face, remove my makeup, do all of that, then I do go ahead and use this one. This is from Bioderma. This is the travel version that I'm carrying along with. So this is the Sensible H2O micellar water. This is the only micellar water that works for my skin without breaking me out. I do love the blue version as well. That has got a little bit of oil, so sometimes it does break me out, but this one does not. This one absolutely sits well with my skin and does a really fabulous job of removing makeup. For example, this was a very clean pad, as you guys can see. I used it last night, and can you see how beautifully my makeup was removed? I have to give credits to that. But I feel like Bioderma makes one of the best micellar waters. No matter where I go, I always carry this because it's really good. I always have like a travel pack ready with me, a bigger one. I almost made it full. Okay, I have a travel pack ready with me. I have a bigger one back at home, and I really love it. So these are my holy grail products, and I have realized that as you age, you don't want like 10 different steps in your makeup routine. You just want 2 or 3 steps that are absolutely gonna slap, and these are the ones that I absolutely love. I just my routine is so simple these days. One serum, a toner. If I'm like feeling like, if I'm at home, I use a toner because I really like thick skincare at home. So a toner at home, a serum, and a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. That's all I need. I don't need 10 different types of acids and 10 different types of things. Simple is the way to go, and that is what I've realized after experimenting so much with skincare, after trying a lot of skincare ingredients and all of that. So yeah, that is all for this particular video. I hope you found it useful. Again, let me just tell you, I am embracing my mid-30s, and I have grown to realize my skin is much drier than what it was back in the day. So I do have a combination T-zone, and I have a combination skin with T-zone sometimes being extremely oily, especially around the nose area, and for the most part my skin is dry. Also, I get acne. I get cystic acne, so I am acne sensitive skin type as well. So if you have a similar skin type like me, these products will absolutely work. I am trying to find a dupe for this particular one. So if I love that one, then I will let you guys know, but so far this is winning, so I am including in this video. Let me know what else you would like to see from me. I will definitely make such videos and upload. I hope you guys like this, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on the bell notification button. I'll see you guys in another one. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, and keep smiling. Mwah.